What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to show you how. And guys, today I'll be showing you how to fix your PS4 controller yellow flashing light. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you want to make sure that your PlayStation is on, and make sure it's on this screen right here, the Welcome to PlayStation screen. And make sure you already have your USB cable that goes to your PlayStation 4 controller. And now once you have it, all you have to do is plug your PS4 controller in and wait till you see the light come on and wait till it dims back out. Just wait. Wait till it goes back down to its normal color when you don't have it on or nothing. Just wait. Alright, so now you can unplug it. And I want you to do now, re-plug it in. And now turn your PS4 off. Just click it once this time until it beeps once. Now just wait. But make sure this is still plugged in. Just wait. It's going to go into rest mode. But this is good. So we're trying to make your PS4 controller recognize its system, because that's what's causing your PS4 controller to be yellow when you plug it in and not coming on to the blue light all the way. So that's what we're trying to do. And just wait till your PlayStation goes into a full rest mode. It's going to see like a yellowish light right here, orange light. Just wait. All right, so you see it's changing. So it changed. Wait till it stops blinking. It's still blinking. Just wait. As soon as it stops blinking, that's when you want to turn it back on. Just wait. Because that means it's fully in the rest mode. Alright, so it has stopped blinking. And now what you want to do is you want to turn your PlayStation back on now. Just turn it back on regular. Just wait. And I'll show you what to do next after it goes onto the Welcome to PlayStation screen. I'll show you what to do next. And you see it's still showing the yellow light, but just wait until your PlayStation gets to the Welcome back to PlayStation screen. And once it's on there, this time, guys, what I want you to do, don't unplug your PS4 controller or nothing, but what I want you to do is hold your PS4 button right here on your PS4 until you hear a second beep. So 1, 2. Alright, so let go after that and just wait. Like I said, we're just trying to get your PlayStation 4 controller to recognize the PS4, because that's what we're trying to do basically. And just wait until it turns fully off. Once you see no light on here, that means your PS4 is fully off. So just wait. Give it a few, about 20 to 30 seconds. And yeah, we'll be getting it connected in no time. And you see, that was quicker. It's about 10 to 15 seconds. But next, all you have to do now is right when you press the button to turn your PS4 on, I want you to continuously press the PS button right here. Press this. Keep pressing this. All right. So right after I press the button on the PS4, I'm going to continuously press my PS button on my PS4 controller. And as you see, look, right when I did that, my PS4 controller came on. So if you follow all the steps I did, your PS4 controller should come on. But if this tutorial doesn't work, I have many other tutorials that you can check out. You can look down in my I have a playlist that you can check out and go through the playlist and try all the tutorials so you can get your PS4 controller working again with your PS4 or any other device that you want to get any fixed on. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you go ahead and drop a like and subscribe and turn on that post notification bell to get notified for every upload on my channel. And we'll be back to show you how.